Okay. You Today you will witness a technique that I taught to this kid. That kid. You will witness what I taught to him. A technique that is very rare in the world. You'll see now. Okay, let's start. Oh, you see that? He disappeared. Point, point. Now, that's what I taught to him. And also, he can get back. He is invisible right now. If you want to learn about that, just go there in the Philippines, Tacloban City. I'll taught you 1 million per hour. Okay, boy, where are you? Where are you? Okay, back in there, huh? Boy, boy, boy. Okay, bye. All right, boy. Very good. Thumbs up. Okay, one more, one more. Disappear. Oh, my. Ikan. You see that? I can also do that. Ada si Lola, ya dia. Ah, Lola. Sige, go. Stop. What I told you. Stop.